Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a plant-based video, which I'm very excited because I'm going to be showing you all the plants that I have in my plant box. So I have lots of different herbs that I'm ready to share to you all, the benefits and how to use them. So if you enjoy this video, please hit subscribe. We are trying to reach 500 subscribers to start monetization and get on that route for sure. So I'm super excited for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Now that you guys got a sneak peek, we're going to be pulling out Motherwort. Motherwort is traditionally used for heart-related issues such as palpitations and anxiety. It helps to regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate the menstrual pain. It is also used to calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. So this plant can have calming effects on the heart and the nervous system and can manage pain symptoms of menopause and PMS. And it can reduce mild anxiety and support emotional well-being. This is Palo Santo. It has a very delicious earthy smell to it. I like to use it to set my intention for the day or for the night. And I just light it up inside my house and let the smoke spread everywhere. I highly suggest you guys get your hands on this Palo Santo. The next herb we will pull out is Echinacea powder. This is widely used to boost your immune system and prevent colds and flu. It helps to reduce inflammation and speed up recovery from infections. This can also be used for your skin, so treat this to burns and skin infections. Ooh, okay, so now we have Myrrh Gum powder. This is used for its antimicrobial properties to treat infections. It is also used to treat oral health, commonly in the dental hygiene for its ability to treat mouth ulcers and gum disease. Of course, this is anti-inflammatory. So all of these herbs that I'm showing are used to reduce inflammation, pain, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties. So you can definitely use any of these above. Incense I also like to use within setting my intention for the day. It has also a very calming effect and could possibly relieve anxiety. Next up, we have Goldenseal. It's known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, especially within the digestive health realm. It is used to treat digestive issues such as ulcers, diarrhea, and constipation. This herb is often paired with Echinacea to improve and boost your immune system. This also comes in a powdered form. Next up, we have Uña de Gato. I'm sure you guys have seen my last video where I explain all the health benefits of Uña de Gato, but this herb is truly one of a kind and definitely one of the best. This can help about anything wrong with your body. Now, if you have a cold, if you have a flu, if you have any sort of pain, this herb will help you. So what you would do is cut a little chunk off and put it in a tea and wait for the tea to turn a red/orange. Now we have some Cleavers. This is often used to support the lymphatic system and reduce swelling, as well as it promotes the elimination of excess fluid from the body. You can also use Cleavers on your skin to treat skin conditions. So, Cleavers can help detoxify the body and assist in reducing inflammation and can support your urinary tract health. Now we have some of this wormwood combination to help detoxify the body. As you can see, it has lots of different herbs inside of it and they all each have their own benefits. So I bought this a while ago, but I do need to try it again. And yeah. So that was what was in my plant box. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to the benefits and the uses of all these herbs. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if you've ever used any of these herbs before and what was your experience. Again, thank you all so much for watching, especially if you stayed till the end of the video. I personally love you. Thank you. Bye.